it's Betsy from the Lavender Butterflies. Someone was asking me recently, and I wanted to pop in and answer that question here in a video so that it's just easier for you to listen. So they wondered, what are the best natural home cleaning products? And, what should you be using cleaning your home with natural ingredients so that you're truly getting your home clean, but you're also using options that are safe. When we discovered that not all home cleaning options are safe was when my son was just about 4 to 6 months old, and he developed his skin issues. And through a lot of research, we discovered that he was having these skin issues due to some of the home cleaning products that we had been using, some of the laundry soap we had been using. And as we switched over to natural options, really the doTERRA essential oils, and we used the home cleaning line that they have called Abode, and none of that irritates his skin. So now he's a happy 10-year-old boy, and he has no skin issues at all, just from switching out from more traditional chemical-laden options to natural essential oil based products. So that, of course, would be my first recommendation, would be essential oils. So citrus oils contain some active ingredients that are really good for just kind of breaking down gunk and grease. So oils like lemon or grapefruit or lime, those are kind of like my top favorites for just breaking down any kind of gunk or grease. If you take a look, earlier this month I posted a picture of removing a sticker. I guess it was a video of removing a sticker with lemon essential oil, and you can do things like that. It's so easy to use, and it also works for any kind of like cleaning, washing the dishes, that type of thing. Speaking about washing the dishes, though, my very favorite product is our for washing the dishes is our doTERRA Abode liquid dishing soap. I cannot talk today. Let's start that over, shall we? My very favorite product for washing the dishes is our Abode liquid dish soap. Nailed it. Okay, so that is amazing. And why I mentioned that with the grease is it actually contains our Abode home cleaning line, which helps really get everything clean, even under the surface. And the grapefruit essential oil in there helps break down any grease. It works wonderfully. And then when I'm like wiping down counters, whether it's our bathroom counter or our kitchen counter, any type of just flat surface, I love using our Abode multi-purpose spray. And it really is multi-purpose. It does all the surfaces, and it's really amazing, and it smells really good. The Abode blend is in that as well. So that's a blend of essential oils that doTERRA specially formulated with the very best essential oils for home cleaning. That is what is in our Abode blend. So those are just some of my top favorites, and hopefully this is helpful to you. And let me know, what questions do you have about home cleaning? Maybe I'll do a video for you. All right, talk to you later. Bye.